How to share video in Webex Meeting. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can share video in Webex Meeting. Okay, so how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Webex account, just like I have done here. And then once you're on the calendars page, by the right side of the screen, click on Start Meeting, because you have to start a meeting for you to be able to share a video in the meeting. So once you click on Start Meeting, you're directed to another page asking you to open your Webex meeting either using the browser or with a installer. You can just join using the browser. And then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be able to locate your personal room. So once you're taken to your personal rooms page, at the lower part of the screen, click on Start Meeting, and then your meeting would start. You'll be brought to your meeting. So once you're on this page, by the lower part of the screen, as you can see, some icons, right, such as mute, stop video, share, reactions, etc. Ensure you click on share. So once you click on share, a box will pop up asking you what you want to share. Is it text? Is it image? Just ensure you click on video because that is what you want to share. And then click on share. Then in this box, select the tab you want. See the Chrome tab, video, entire screen. Just select it, and then once you just click on it, click on the one you want, and then click on share, and that's it. Your video will be shared. So this is how you can share video on Webex Meeting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.